Hi, it's Mar, and I'm going to show you that you too can be a balloon artist. Let's make a cat. I'm going to show you how to do one balloon cat, and I'm going to show you how to do a bit more of an advanced one. To make the one balloon cat, we'll need a 260, leaving 8 fingers and inflate it. We are going to start with a loop. Squish, make 5-finger loop, twist here. We hold it where the knot is, and then we twist, pulling a little bit. And now we put our fingers inside, grab the nozzle, pass it through so it doesn't go anywhere. We squish a bit, a 3-finger bubble, a 5-finger bubble. We make another 5-finger bubble. And now we're going to open this, and this is going to roll around. That will create these 2 loops here. Let's pass this through the loop. Until you can't see any balloon there. We'll twist here. And now we make the legs. We'll make 2 4-finger bubbles. Twist together. We're going to make 4-finger bubble again. Another 4-finger bubble. Bend the balloon. Create another 4-finger bubble here. Twist together. And now for the tail, we're going to bend it towards the face and the opposite direction, making the letter S. So when you let it go, this is what happened. And I like to turn the face towards the person so you can see the whole design. Isn't this cute? Oh. Now we'll make the face. I'll show you how to make the face using a Pilot 100. We'll find the center of the face, which is where these 2 ears connect. That's the center. Here. That's the center. Here. And we're going to find the center of that. And there we're going to make a little heart like this. You could just do a triangle, but I do prefer to have the little heart. There you go. Now we'll draw the whiskers. 3 whiskers in each side. We get 1 in the center, 1 at the top, and 1 at the bottom. And somehow my pen is drawing today. Now we're going to make 2 big circles in each side. Make sure this one is the same one as this one. So excuse me for a moment. I'll go like this because it's easier. More or less. That's what we have so far. A line crossing the eye from the center like this. And this one like that. The same. We're going to make an arch in each side of that line. On the other side, more or less. and we fill it. You probably do it better than me because I'm not looking at the design and it's so hard. I'll do the other one. And then you fill it in like this. And now you can make a little mouth if you want, that mischievous face there. And the eyebrows. Here you go. The design is up to you. I'm using here my stickers, but you can use this design too. And this is the one balloon cut. To make the 2 balloon cut, we are going to need a 350 for the face and a 260 for the rest of the body. We start with the 350. We're going to leave about 12 fingers uninflated, and we're going to squish a bit. We'll measure 8 fingers. We twist here. Then we make another bubble the same size. We hold them like this, and we twist. And now we pass the nozzle through to lock it in place. We're going to cut this. You can keep this so you can use it for another cut. We tie another knot and cut the excess. And it flies away. We're going to put this apart and get our 260 and leaving about 8 fingers uninflated. We're just going to squish. We're going to make two loops, 4 finger loops. Squish, another 4 finger loop. We bend it, put our fingers inside, measure from the bottom to where the connection is. That's what we will twist. So it's 4 fingers. And now we squish here. We have 2 loops now. We're going to make a 1 finger bubble, very tiny, and we're going to make a pinch twist. We end up with 1 pinch twist here and no pinch twist there. Now we're going to pass this 260 through the 350. We will position the pinch twist like that, and as close as this balloon as possible. That's how it looks in this side. That's how it looks in that side. This is the side we will be using. We'll twist here, make a 2 finger bubble, twist, and make into a pinch twist. Now we're going to make 4 finger bubble, another 4 finger bubble. These ones will connect together. Four finger bubble, 2 finger bubble for a pinch twist, make it into a pinch twist, 4 finger bubble, another 4 finger bubble. We connect these 2 together. And now with this one, this is now the tail. We're going to do a zigzag. We're going one way, we're going one way, squish, 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 squish. So squish, 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 squish. And then we go the other way, squish, 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 squish. Yeah. So it's a bit like a zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. and it creates this shape. Okay, and now we position it here and it really looks so cute. Let's twist the head until it gets to the right position. And we get something like this. So cute! The only thing to remember is to put the pinch twist in the front. We will follow the same steps to make the face as in the one balloon cut. If you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. This all helps my channel to grow and I can make more videos for you.